Whoa, this is the Illusion reporting from somewhere on Spaceship Earth. I thought I'd just give you a little chicken videos. That squad car right there, dude, the rooster. And then the white one's Monkey. The light brown one is Left-Eyed Lucy, and the dark brown one is Cannonball. That's the tribe, dude. They're fired up, man. They want me to put the hose over here. Here, wait, hold on. I'm gonna get the hose going for them over here. They thoroughly enjoy a little bit of water on a hot summer day. Let's see. That's their tree they like to hang under. Watch this. They're gonna come over and get after it. There they go. So Left Eye Lucy's the one that has only one eye. It's funny. Squad car we did not know was a male, but just turned out to live up to his name. Makes a bunch of noise, just like the squad car he is. They've gotten big. Chicken farm. Bucka, bucka, bucka. They crack me up. They come running over to the gate in the morning. They're like buddies, dude. That's the cool thing about chickens. They do get to know who you are, and they like seeing you. Not just for food either, just in general chickenness. They just like to see you. So that's the chickens. Smash the like button, do your thing. Here's the chicken house I built for them. And yeah, do that.